Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Saving time in English is a common phrase used to describe the act of making efficient use of our time. Imagine you're at work and you find a way to complete your tasks more quickly. You're not just speeding up, you're saving time. Or perhaps you're at home and you find a way to clean up faster. That's right, you're saving time. In the realm of education, this phrase takes a front seat. If a student finds more efficient ways to study, guess what? They're saving time. But don't let the phrase fool you. Saving time doesn't mean stashing away hours into a piggy bank. It's about being effective and productive with the time we've got. So, in the grand scheme of things, saving time is about making choices that help us do more in less time. Remember, saving time is all about making the most out of the time you have. Now you've learned what saving time means in English. Let's go deeper. When we talk about saving time, we are referring to the act of doing things in a way that allows us to have more free time. It's about efficiency and productivity. For example, you might say, by preparing my lunch the night before, I'm saving time in the morning. Or perhaps using a more efficient software is saving time at work. This phrase is really flexible and can be used in various situations. Remember, saving time is all about doing things more efficiently so you have more time for other activities. You're now a pro at using the English phrase saving time. Practice makes better. So why not leave a comment below using saving time in a sentence? And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.